to give you a quick overview of your attendance spreadsheet. This first tab here is the most important one. If you click on the months, you can see that there are no names in them. However, if you type your names here, then they will auto-populate into the rest of the sheets, which makes your job so much easier. The same thing goes for this top header row. Just type it all on the first sheet. Now, if you've used this for a school year and you need to update the dates, I'm going to show you how simple it is to update your dates. So we're going to use August as the example. You can see on this current year, which is set up for 2026, the month starts on a Monday. So the secret here is just knowing what day of the week your month is starting on. So if I look ahead to August 2027, the month also is going to start on a Monday for school days. So that's super easy, but just start in whatever box for the day of the week your month starts with. So I'm going to double click on the Monday box and I'm going to go ahead to August 2027. And the first possible school day is Monday. And then you can take this box and click and drag across the entire row. And when you release it, it will have all the dates for the new school year. There will be a couple formatting things that slightly change, like the color of the boxes, but all of that is easy to update if you would like to keep that fixed for yourself. Another example, if we are on September, this one starts on a Wednesday in 2027. Same thing, I'm starting under the Wednesday box, double clicking, and then finding the day on the calendar right there. And then I can click and drag it across, and it will automatically have all the other calendar days for the school year under the correct weekday. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I would love to help. You can reach me at help@organizeandeducate.com. Enjoy your attendance spreadsheet.